Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to download Meesho application right on your smartphone. To download the Meesho app on your smartphone, first of all, open up Google Play Store or your App Store and then in the search box type in Meesho. Once you do that, from the search result look for this application from Meesho Inc. and then tap the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, tap on Open and you can open up the Meesho app, sign up or log in and start exploring a wide range of products at wholesale prices. So that's how you easily download and install Meesho right on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.